So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to report a post in Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on three dot which is available near to the post. So tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see the option of report photo. So tap on it. Now choose the option why you want to report this photo. So I am tapping on I don't want to see this, which is available as last option. So tap on an arrow which is available on the right side of the screen. Now tap on done and confirm it, either you really want to report or not. So I am tapping on done. Now see, I have successfully reported that post on Facebook, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.